Hello! In this video tutorial we review how to set up migration process, what problems you could face and what to expect from the tool. Please review this tutorial before starting migration process. So first let's review prerequisites before running the tool. You need to have both on-premise and online versions ready. Your on-premise instance should be available from the internet and correctly set up. Data you are migrating should have same entities and fields in both on-premise and online versions. Migration process consists of 5 stages: configuring access for the tool, setting up entities for migration, setting up manual mappings for users, business units and teams, and finally scheduling migration date and time. We strongly recommend run test migration before executing production migration. During migration some specific problems might occur, like logic preventing data creation or some inconsistency in data structures. So it is a good idea to use tool in test mode first. In case you will have any issues during migration process or you need help with migrating your customizations, please contact us via Skype or email. So let's take a closer look at process steps. Go to migration tool link https://my.uds.systems. You need to register for tool usage. Use Google, Facebook or Microsoft account. Also, you can register directly without using connections to those accounts. Right after registration, you will have possibility to schedule a migration job. Click Add button to start migration job scheduling. Enter credentials for source and target environments. Both source and target environments can be online or on-premise, so you can test migration tool first on on-premise environments or use it for different scenarios. We recommend to use temporary user accounts and deactivate them after migration is complete. In case you will have problems with configuration, please feel free to contact us via Skype or email. After that, you need to select entities you want to migrate. They are split in several tabs for easier navigation. After you have selected entities, press Validate. Tool will check if there are some configuration or other issues and let you know. You can review errors one by one or download a report with list of all errors. In case you want us to help you resolve them, just ping us on Skype. On next steps, please map users, business units, and teams. Those entities need to be mapped manually due to Dynamics 365 restrictions. Please ensure you mapped all records on source environment with one record from target. Automap button might help you to do the part of the job. After that, select date and time when you want migration to start, and that's it. We will send you notifications when job is started and completed, or if there are any issues. So that's it. I hope this tool will make your migration process easier and save a lot of work. Please check our website and subscribe to social media to not miss other useful tools we are working on. Also, we are glad to hear feedback and to know what is your struggle with Dynamics 365 or Power Apps. Until next time, thank you for watching.